Ooh, we have something good in store for you tonight. We are making chicken fried rice right here on the Blackstone. It's going to be super, super simple. A lot easier than most chicken fried recipes. Chicken fried rice recipes, not chicken fried. What's going to make it a little bit different is kind of the ingredients we're using. We're still using our basic ingredients, and I'll show you in a minute. We'll get to that in just a minute. But anyhow, this is going to be perfect for if you're camping or if you just want to make a quick meal. You know, when you come home, you ain't got time to prep. A lot of prep, it don't take much for this. So before we get to showing you how we're going to make this chicken fried rice and what all we're going to be cooking with, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. Man, it's a new year. We have a lot of new things coming. Made a big announcement already about a new channel. I'll link to that down below for all of, we got a lot of fun coming up. Y'all have to subscribe. If you are subscribed already, man, we thank you. Thank you so much. We've had so much fun doing this and got a lot more fun coming. But thank you for being along with us. We really do appreciate that. If you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you. Consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell notification. You don't want to miss out on this. I promise you. It's going to be a lot of fun. So with all that being said, you get all that done. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you, there's links to a lot of stuff down there in the description. Also, with Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest and Instagram. We got a P.O. box. We got a Gmail or, an email, how you want to get in touch with us. Hey, that's fine. Use all that. Connect with us. We love hearing from y'all. We try to answer everything as quickly as possible. Sometimes, life gets kind of hectic. We might not answer right away, but don't fret. We will get to it. So you get all that done, and we're going to get all this started, and let's do this thing. Now, like I always say, you can't cook much on a cold griddle. So let's fire this thing up. And as usual, I'm going to go with 3 burners. That way, making this fried rice recipe, some things may get done a little quicker, so we can just slide it on over. But let's go to a medium heat right now. Now, we will adjust later on if we need to. And if we do, I'll let you know. Alrighty. Now, to make this, what's going to make this quick and easy and different is what we're using. We're using this Uncle Ben's Ready rice, the Jasmine. We got 3 packets of it. Now, what's great about this is normally you have to, cook the rice a day ahead of time, several hours ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, let it dry out. This right here is great for a quick, instant meal. We have, I'm guessing about 2, maybe 3 pounds of chicken, diced and cubed up. Use as much as you want. That's the great thing about doing something like this. You can make it yours. We got a large can of some mixed vegetables here. It's already cooked. All they got to do is heat those up. We have a half a yellow onion here. Got 4 eggs. Now, to make this thing good, you got to have seasoning. Of course, our soy sauce. And we have some garlic powder. We have some sesame seeds. We got some black pepper. We got sesame seed oil. And I have some salt over here in this dredge. And y'all, that's it. It's going to be that simple. Y'all, got the white smoke. You know what that means? It's time to cook. So let's go ahead and get our chicken on here and get it seasoned up and get it cooking up. Then we can get everything else going. But let's get the chicken on here. We'll just dump it on there. Add a little bit of oil to it. Man, listen to that sound. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat down over here to a low. We don't want to cook this chicken cooking too fast. We want it to cook thorough and not just sear. So, got the heat down on low. Let's spice things up. A little bit of salt. Get some of this cracked pepper, I think. Let me open it. Here we go. Got it open. Cracked pepper. Ain't nothing like cracking your own pepper. Now, a little bit of garlic salt, or garlic powder, my bad. Now, if you want to use fresh garlic, mince it up, that's fine. This is just We're just showing you how to use this maybe at a campsite or a quick, easy night meal. A little bit of sesame oil. And a little bit of soy. There we go. Now, as far as the seasonings, hey, season to taste. Wow. Y'all, smelling good now. The smell coming off this griddle is right, y'all. And the thing is, with this cook, it's gonna be a quick cook. The chicken is probably gonna take the longest, because the vegetables are already cooked. And the rice is pretty much already cooked. We just gotta heat all that up. So I tell you what, while that's going, let's get the onions on here. Same thing with onion, just a little bit of sesame, a little bit of soy, and give them a quick stir. Like so. Come back over here. Let's mix up our chicken. Get it cooking thoroughly. Now, it will not take this chicken long to cook, simply because it's small cut up pieces. Now, if we're cooking a whole breast, it'll take a while, but. And as far as what size you want, you know, we can cut this on down a little bit more. Some of these pieces are kind of big. So probably what I'll do is I'll cut them up just a little bit more. Make a little smaller bite-sized pieces. You do you. You cut your chicken up how you want it cut up. Oh man, them onions starting to look good already. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of the chicken up. Let's stir our onion up real quick. Stir our chicken back up. Let that cook for just a few more minutes. I don't know about you and what you do when you're cooking, but sometimes, just sometimes, you gotta try a piece. Oh. That's spot on. That's perfect. Tender, juicy. Got that flavor of that soy and that sesame in there. Oh yeah. That's it right there. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's move these onions over. Now remember, this side here is off. I'm gonna slide it on over. Now all this will continue to, well, I don't want to say cook, but it'll stay warm over here. Now, what we're gonna do now is we got to get the vegetables on. Now we got the chicken over, we got the rice over. Let's heat these vegetables up. Now, like I said earlier, these vegetables, pretty much already cooked. Yeah, not pretty much, they are already cooked. So all we're gonna do is heat them up. Let's make room over here for our vegetables, y'all. Chicken was good. I almost want another bite of it. Look at that, that one's just sitting here by itself. It's gonna be good, y'all. I'm telling you. All right, and these vegetables, guess what we're gonna do? Add a little bit of sesame, a little soy. A little sesame. And some soy. And mix. Yeah, buddy. Coming together pretty quick, ain't it? Now once you get your vegetables all heated up. Now here's the thing about these vegetables. I don't know if we're gonna need this many. I really don't. We got the chicken. We got the onions. We got the vegetables. How can you have fried rice without rice? Let's get the rice on here. Well, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just kind of break this up. As you see, it's pretty packed in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna crank this thing up here. We're gonna put down some oil. Now crank this side up on high because you gotta fry the rice. Let's open this up. Let's get this on there. Put all 3 packs on there, y'all. Sesame, soy. Now here you kind of want a good bit of soy. You want to turn that rice a brown color. Once you get it going on there, go ahead and start mixing it. Cutting it up, breaking up your rice here. Getting it all mixed up, chopped up. Oh yeah. I'll add just a little bit of oil to it, keep from sticking. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and crack our eggs on here, y'all. We'll bust our yolks open. Kind of just fold that around and just scramble it up, y'all. That's all we're looking for is a good scrambled egg. And yeah. Once your egg is all cooked like you want it, bring your fried rice back over. Mix in with the egg. Grab you some vegetables. Mix in. Bring some chicken over. See how much this is making all of a sudden, y'all? Just bring some onion into this. And mix, mix, mix. And there you have it. Quick, easy weeknight meal. You know, this right here is, I mean, if you want to prep and go ahead and cook your rice a day ahead of time and stuff, it probably is maybe a lot better. I don't know. I've done it both ways, and I like it both ways. This right here is a lifesaver, a time saver. You hear me? So go by, if you just ain't got a lot of time, pick you up some Jasmine, Uncle Ben's ready rice, and you'll be ready. Mix in some chicken. Now, we do have some leftover chicken, vegetables, and onions. That's okay. I have a plan for that. That will be in a future video. So be on the lookout for that, what we're going to do with the leftover from tonight's cook. So, but speaking of tonight's cook, let's plate this up. That's a lot of food, y'all. That is a lot of food. I don't know if this one plate's going to be enough to hold it all. Oh, we're going to make it work. Uh-oh. I dropped the egg. Dropped the egg. At least it wasn't bacon. Get all this out from under here. Try to get this last little bit on here. Man, look at that steam coming off there. Man, yeah. There you go, y'all. Supper is ready. Now, I know you see this, but trust me, a little bit of water, that'll come right up. But anyhow, y'all look at that steaming plate of goodness. That's right, it's a steaming plate of goodness. All right, y'all, painted up, got some pictures, you know, for the thumbnails and what have you, whatever I need it for. But before I take this inside to the crazy crew, it's kind of wet and kind of cold out here tonight. They didn't want to come out here and try it. I'm going to try me some of it. I mean, I'm telling you, it really smells amazing. It looks amazing. It really does. So let's see if it tastes that way. Get some of this rice, some of this egg, a piece of that chicken. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. That's it. That is it. That Uncle Ben's ready rice, the jasmine ready rice, right there. That's the ticket. You ain't got to try to make a day ahead of time, hours ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, cool it, dehydrate it, nothing like that. Can if you want to. You ain't got to. Man, this is perfect if you're camping, if you're somewhere you can't do a lot of prep. Easy weeknight meal. As you seen, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of canned vegetables, half an onion, you know, a couple seasonings. Simple, very simple. I can't get over how, man, that is so good. That rice is just perfect. And it's still steaming. So I tell you what, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. And share it out. Let people know how easy it is to make fried rice right here on the Blackstone. You can actually do this in a skillet in your house if you want to. I have a lot of camping friends, so I'm trying to find recipes that work for them at campsites that are different than hamburgers hot. Nothing wrong with hamburgers hot dogs. I love them. You know I do. But something a little bit different. But I'm also, you know, we got a big family. We don't always have time to just cooking a big elaborate meal, although that looks like a big elaborate meal. So we try to find shortcuts ourselves, and that's what we're doing here tonight. So let me put my fork down before I dig in some more. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up. You know, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Also, if you're still around, I got some news for you. Can't really tell you what the news is yet. So, but I want to let you know there are some big, possibly big news coming along soon. Stay tuned for that. So you get all that done, and we'll see you next time.